How to know if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you think that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp and you don't know how to find it out, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. Now, there are three ways for finding it out. However, there is not a sure chance that they have blocked you. These are all possibilities. So, the first one is send them a message. After you've sent it, over here you can see two tick marks on mine. That means they have not blocked me. However, if someone has blocked you, you will see a single tick mark. But a single tick mark also means that they have not connected their device to any Wi-Fi or data. So, if there is a single tick mark for a long period of time, then there is a possibility that they have blocked you. Now, the second one is what you're going to do is if you do not see their status or their profile picture, but you used to see them before, then there is another possibility that they have blocked you. But they could have simply not chosen to keep their profile or status. So, what another thing you're going to do is create a group, and in the group, add only them. After you do that, name the group anything. After you've created a group, see the name of the members on the group. If you see their name over here, that means you have not been blocked. However, if you don't see their name, then you have been blocked. So this is how you can know if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.